Feel it?
Yeah.
Uncomfortable?
Yes.
See, I didn't lie.
This is the one that I've been having the most problems with. So.
Oh, okay. So this is the back.
Oh, okay.
Want me to turn it up?
No.
Okay. That's that one. All right. So you stress a lot? No. I wasn't gonna ask you. I'm gonna ask him. Just relax. See, look at him. He's looking at you.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Did you hear that? Okay. That was really cool. Oh. Okay.
Checking.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, guys. Today we have Kim. Wave Kim.
Hi.
Kim is very nervous.
I am.
Me
Very
too.
much so.
It's my first time. All right, Kim. What do you do?
I'm a vegan chef and also a VIP concierge.
I'm VIP, so I'm finna get some concierge and some vegan chef stuff. So where can they find you if they want a vegan chef?
Empress Kimmy on Instagram, at Empress Kimmy on Instagram specifically.
At Empress what?
Empress Kimmy,
Okay.
K-I-M-I.
All right, cool. Any other socials need to find you on, anything like that?
Empress.eats as well on Instagram too.
All right, cool. She's all over the place. All right, so Empress Kim
Yes.
got some knee problems. She used to run track, and then she doesn't run anymore.
Yeah.
And then she tried to run, and then now she's in here. So what's going on? What knee is it, Kim?
It's both.
Both?
Yeah, both like right here.
Now we did some stem and we did some ice on it. We had some good results. Now we're gonna do some shockwave. Okay? Now shockwave is gonna be an electromagnetic pulse. It's gonna be constantly hitting. It's gonna feel a little different than the muscle stem, okay?
Okay.
Oh, sorry about that. It's in the middle part, right?
Yeah.
I want you to let me know if you want me to turn it up, and let me know when I get to an area that has a lot of pain, okay?
Okay. Ooh.
Right there?
Yeah.
Want me to turn it up or down?
Up.
Right there?
Right there, yeah.
I'm assuming it's somewhat of a meniscus issue.
Okay.
As it eased up, is it easing up as I press down? Can you turn it up some more?
I think it's good work.
Is this the worst one or is this the better one?
Ooh, this is worse.
This one's worse?
Yeah.
Okay. Good thing we got this one out of the way first, right?
Okay.
Right there?
Yeah, and right there.
Are you still nervous about the adjustment or is this taken away from it?
I'm still pretty nervous.
Is this helping or no?
No.
Not at all? That's why I'm doing this first.
Okay.
You get the bad part out of the way first.
Okay.
I want you to bend your knee for me. Right there?
Ooh, yeah.
Adjustment's fun. This is different.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're gonna go to the other knee. Cool? You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start with it down, alright?
This is the one that I've been having the most problems with, so.
Oh, okay. So this is the back.
Oh, okay.
Want me to turn it up?
No.
Okay. That's that one. Alright. Now, 1 out of 10, how would you say your pain is? Before you came in. Are you sweating? Are you sweating?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 out of 10. When I'm running, it was a 10 for sure.
How was it right now?
I want to say an 8.
8?
Whoop.
Right there? That's bringing that sweat, that's the perspiration coming out. That's it. Right there.
Yeah.
Mm. Let me turn it up.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you getting strong. Getting bold.
Okay, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right. Any better?
Yeah.
Anything better than what it was
Yeah,
before?
exactly.
It's mental.
Yeah. It
But how's
does
it
feel
feel?
better.
It feels better?
Yeah.
Good. All right, let's get you on your back. We'll do some stretching. Take your shoes off on me. Just relax. I got you. Do you stretch?
Yeah, I do.
You do? How often?
Not often enough.
Straighten leg out. Push against me. Push. Push, 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 push. All right, relax. Straight. Push. That's it. That's all you got. Come on. All right, relax. Straighten it out. Push.
Ooh.
What does ooh mean?
I'm feeling the stretch.
All right, just relax. All right, there we go. Push. Push. All right, relax. This is a tighter hamstring. Push. Come on. Come on, Kim. There we go. All right, relax. Straighten it out. Push one more time for me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, relax. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
Still nervous?
Yes.
I don't know what to tell you. Just back to me. How was that?
That was interesting.
So a lot of times, people have knee problems. It's actually not the knee.
Okay.
It comes from the above and below. So the hip
Okay.
and the ankles.
Okay.
Just tight over here.
Yeah.
All right, so what I'm doing, I'm gonna stretch it here for me. It's gonna feel very uncomfortable, okay? You ready? Okay, cool. Feel it?
Yeah.
Uncomfortable?
Yes.
See, I didn't lie. All right. See, that was uncomfortable. This is the fun stuff. Your neck is tight, man.
It is.
Yeah. So you stress a lot? Yeah. I wasn't gonna ask you. I'm gonna ask him. Just relax a minute. How we doing?
Good.
Alive or dead?
I'm alive.
All right.
Yeah.
See, look at him. He's looking at you.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Did you hear that? Okay. That was really cool.
Blink if you're dead.
Not alive.
Still nervous?
Yes, but it'll be fine.
But alive.
Yeah.
Told you.
Yeah.
We don't kill people on Saturdays. Good thing you come on Tuesday, right?
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Checking? It's your spine right here in my hands. No, it's still in your back.
Wow. Okay. Wow. How often are people supposed to do that?
More often than never.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, there we go. Let it back. How are we doing?
Good.
You believe in me now?
Yes.
Just a little bit? All right, let me have you lay on your side, face me. Bend this leg for me. There you go. Hug yourself. Just relax, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Still sweating, Kim.
I am. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Wow. Okay.
We're gonna make Kim a believer today.
Okay.
Other side.
Yeah.
You alright, Sanjay?
I need an adjustment.
I got you. Sanjay needs an adjustment. Straighten this leg out for me. Just relax. Oh. Sit in there.
Ooh. Wow. Wow.
What are you checking for?
I don't know. Wow, okay. Wow. That's crazy.
She's still looking for something.
I know.
You look, you act. Back yourself.
That is crazy.
Good. Just relax. There we go. You've been holding on to that for a while. There we go. Good. Table's gonna drop 3 times like this, okay? 1, 2, 3. How we doing now, Kim?
Good.
Just relax. Just relax. I got you. Her palms are sweaty. Still, she never gonna trust me. Sorry, Bertha. Just relax. Good. All right, Kim, let's have you stand on up. Slide your butt to the edge of the table. No. All right, just sit down. There we go. Let's slide your butt to the edge of the table.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now put your feet regular. There we go. Let's have you spread them out shoulder width, and let me have you stand up, and let's see how you feel. Stand straight up without bending over.
You said stand straight.
Yep. There we go. Move around.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel good.
You sound shocked.
No, I do feel good. Yeah. Wow. Again, how often are we supposed to do this?
We got you. We'll get you set up with a treatment plan and everything, okay?
Okay.
All right, cool.
That makes sense.
How's your niece? Out of 10, where we at?
I'm not feeling any pain in them right now.
Okay.
Actually.
Went from a 10 to a 0.
Right now, yeah.
But, not gonna lie to you, it's not over. So,
Okay.
but we did get a lot of pain out of it, so that's really good.
Okay.
All right, good to go.
So should I continue to try running or should I just,
You're running wrong too.
yeah.
You have to stop wearing high heels,
Uh-huh.
and you have to start running right. So you gotta start walking right too. So if you're running wrong, you're doing everything wrong. So if you're walking on your heels, on your toes all the time, it's supposed to be heel strike. And you need to work on dorsiflexion.
Okay.
So when you run, heel strike, propel, not run on your toes.
Okay.
Got it?
So I can start running again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But don't run on the concrete.
No concrete.
Run on the sand.
On sand.
Run on the beach.
Okay.
Run on the beach or maybe the track, but no concrete. Curved treadmill maybe, but no concrete.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem.